This episode, we emptied the UPR dual valve catch can on the EcoBoost Mustang for the first time following our 2,500 mile road trip. Welcome to the channel. My name is Grant Tommy. This is Straight Six Fan, where I like to focus on budget-minded, relatable, creative builds, well, something I like to call offbeat hot rodding. And today we are going to empty the catch can for the first time, as you saw Sunday's upload. In fact, I'm recording this on Sunday, but you saw well, at least the first 2 days of the road trip. We just took the 2015 EcoBoost Mustang on, and we clocked in somewhere over 2,500 miles on the EcoBoost Mustang, which they recommend, from what I can tell, to empty these things every twice an oil change. So if you're doing 5,000 mile intervals, this will be the first time we empty the catch can. So let's go just real quick. I just figured we'd do that today, put it on camera, show you guys exactly what these things are worth, what they do for you. So I'm hoping this is a big enough container to empty it into. We shall see. The other thing is I need to change the oil on to Tacoma, so my my oil, whatever you call it, the drain can, is close to full, so I need to take that to O'Reilly's, buy oil anyway. So figured perfect timing to empty the catch can. But enough of me blabbing. Let's get to the money shot. So if you've made it this far and you're wondering what I'm even talking about, well, there is a link up over here, a card for the install of the UPR dual valve catch can that I installed. Tell you all about what to expect there. And one of the advantages is, see, all I have to do now is unscrew this thing. And here is the moment of truth. That is how much I saved from going back in through the intake in 2,500 miles. So, yeah. I guess you can say, or if you were wondering, is it worth it? Here you go. That will do it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I don't really care which one you do, as long as you do one. It helps me out. Another way you can help me out is go to the description below. There's a link to my Spreadshirt store there, and you can pick yourself up a Straight Six Fan Pistons tee or a 30, 60s, 198 Slant 6 inspired t-shirt. Pick one of those up if you so choose. I will leave a link to a catch can similar to this, not this exact one, down below as well. But that'll do it for this episode. Until next time, peace out.